This is my tomato wall, and right now I've got plants over 10 feet tall, and all the way down I got tomatoes growing. Of course, up on top here they're green yet, but not too far down they're red. And just bowls full of them I've been picking out of here. Big ones too are coming all the way up here. And it's only mid-August. These things will probably grow on top of those poles if I can reach and trellis them up there. Now this tomato wall here isn't necessarily permaculture, but how I strategically located it into my backyard design is permaculture. That's what permaculture is all about, is design. It's working out pretty well here. This is a tomato mistletoe. But there's nobody around here to kiss. These are definitely ripe. Black creme. So this whole thing, it's just an experiment to see how much I can grow in one little spot, and not only just how much I could grow, but how diverse of a number of crops I can get in here. And here's a yacon right here. Here's a yacon, squash. There's a corn. Here's climbing beans. Of course, the tomatoes I just picked. There's fennel right here. More squash. There's Brussels sprouts right here. There's Swiss chard. Here's celery. Ground cherries. Sunflowers. Sunflower couldn't handle the weight of the tomatoes and the climbing beans trellising on them, so it bent over. Got a lot of food right in this little spot. This is 25 by 15, and just a phenomenal amount of food just here. This little area. But you know, I attribute that to my compost and my compostee that I'm watering it with. Of course, this is my experimental Langham circle bed spot, and I really have a lot of good points to make on these circle beds here in the coming videos. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching.